Here's a sample application that shows the structured output capabilities of GPT-4o in Azure OpenAI. What we're going to do is we're going to provide it with a piece of art. So in this case, we'll use the Mona Lisa. And what's going to happen is the GPT-4o model is going to extract some of the key information from this image and present it back to us in a structured schema. So we're going to upload that, send it over to the Azure OpenAI service, and the output, the information that has been extracted from this image, it complies with the schema that we've set out in the code here. So this is the raw JSON that's provided, and as you can see, that JSON matches the schema that we've required it to comply to in the code.